Generating and using AI images in our content is something which is happening very often in our daily or our day-to-day content that we see on social media. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to generate such images and use them in your content using Canva and Dreamlab. Let's start the tutorial. So guys, first of all, you have to get your Canva. This is my Canva workspace, or this is my Canva website that I have been using. So you can see these are all works that I've been working on so far. When you want to get something for your work, you first come to Dreamlab or make an image, but mostly I use the Dreamlab for my content. So I'll go to Dreamlab and wait for it to load, and then you can see something like, what will you imagine today, or what will you be imagining today? That is, Canva is asking you that what are you going to do today with Dreamlab. So Dreamlab is where you enter something that you want to use for your work, and you can see it saying describe the image in few words. Describe the image in few words. So for example, let's say a black guy in red shirts. So let's say a black guy in red shirts. We press on create or press enter, then Canva will use its magic AI to generate an image for you to use in your project or your content that you're working on. So guys, we can see that Canva has given us 3 or 4 pictures for us to use for our content, which is amazing. And the good news is that you can use it in a design or any project that you are working on. You can either get the image guidance here, you can copy, you can download, report, which is bad because you've got a nice image, and then you can also delete the picture. So let's say you want to use it in a design, you click edit in a design, and then voila, you get your picture opening in a design for you. Let's wait, it's okay, good. So now we have it here in a design. So in case I want to edit it, let's say I want to use just this part, I can use it, change the background or remove the background so I can get only the picture for work. Now I'll have something like that. So this is how it works with generating pictures in Canva with AI. So let's say you are done and you want to go back, you just press this key or button here, then it will take you back again to Dreamlab. Again, let's try the last one. I want to generate a beautiful black girl from Ghana. Yeah, so a beautiful black lady from Ghana. So let's see what Canva is going to give it to us. A beautiful black lady from Ghana. Let's see. Okay, so good. So now you can see that it's giving us 1, 2, 3, 4, even with different shades of color, skin or tone. We have this beautiful lady here, this one and this one and this one. So it gave us a picture of a lady in one of the clothes that Ghana here, or the ladies in Ghana wear, which includes the Ghana colors, which is in the flag. So we have the red, yellow, green, and then the black, beautifully made. So in case I want to make a project with it, I can just click on edit in a design, and then I'll have access to it. So guys, this is basically how to generate images in Canva with AI Dreamlab. I hope this video is useful and it is going to be useful to someone out there. So please don't forget to share, comment, drop your suggestion, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.